What's up? Welcome back to another video. We are back at Suzuki Spa. I'm using my front camera. Rapid is ready. It's being washed. Polish work is done. And today we are taking the delivery of our Skoda Rapid. Feels like a new car already. मैं देख रहा हूँ कितना एकदम. It's looking brand new. Very excited. And this will be the final episode of the series where I'll reveal all the work that was done, what was the cost, how long it took, and finally how the car feels to drive and everything. I forgot my mic. मैं सीधा ऑफिस से आ रहा हूँ, so I wasn't expecting to take the delivery of our car today. So I apologize for the background noise, but I'm actually very excited to take the delivery of the Rapid. I just can't wait to share with you guys the final look of our Skoda Rapid, and I hope you enjoyed this series and lots more to come. We'll do a lot more work with the Rapid, we'll do a lot more work with the Slavia. Maybe in a few weeks we'll start the series with the Slavia. Lots more work to be done on that car as well. I have a lot of things planned, so no promises though as to how soon it'll start, but it will definitely come, and so stay tuned for that. But yeah, about the Rapid, I'll reveal everything. Do not worry. And if you own a Skoda Rapid, this video is going to be really helpful for you. And if you are from Kolkata, you know where I get my work done from. You can reach out to Suzuki Auto Spa, take my name, and get your work done here. And they're absolute professionals. They take care of your car really well. Whatever work you want to get done on your car, they will do it with absolute professionalism and precision, and deliver it exactly the way you imagined it. What I'll do, I'll leave the contact details in the description so that you can reach out to the concerned person of this particular workshop. And I hope you all are excited. Let's take a closer look at our Skoda Rapid now. It's being washed. Let me just flip the camera. Check it out. Now I will not reveal the front right now. So you will have to have a little bit of patience for me to reveal the full car to you. So today I will not be able to tell you everything, what all has been done, because I'll take the delivery, understand the breakdown, the cost, and take the car home. Maybe tomorrow, of course it will be in this episode only. Tomorrow I'll reveal each and every detail. A lot of time and investment has gone into this. It's of course like a mini restoration. The car is 7 years old, and I think it was asking for it as well. And I really enjoyed making this series. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed documenting it. But yeah, you can let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Your feedback, of course, is appreciated. So yeah, without any delay, let me show you the final look of our Skoda Rapid.
Today we are here with the Rapid. I will show you the complete final look as to how it is right now, and we'll break down the cost as well, how much it took to get all this work done, what was the final total. Everything will be shared with you all. In the meanwhile, let me do the walk around of the car and show you how good it is looking right now, and in person it's looking even better. Maybe the camera will not do justice to it, but anyway, let me share how the car is looking. So here you go. Here's our Rapid, and you can see that I've already dechromed the front grille, which has enhanced the look of this car and it's taken it to another level altogether. And this is the only portion that I've dechromed. You can see the logo is still the same, and I feel the logo, being in chrome is actually suiting the car. I'm glad I didn't dechrome that. But the grille below, as you can see, I repainted the grille in glossy black, and of course this chrome border also was painted in black. So now the car looks even much more meaner, more premium though, and much more expensive it's looking for sure. Now let me get to the left side, because all the work was done mainly on this side of the car. So the front bumper got repainted. Check out the paint quality, and it's 100% match. And as you were aware that we had some damage here and the bumper was coming out, so that's also repaired. So this was the front bumper. We got the alloy wheels repainted, and plus we got the calipers painted red as well, and we got the fender here painted, this door, the rear fender, the running board as well. As you were aware, this was damaged here, so we got this repaired as well. And of course the rear bumper was also repainted, so 50% of the body was repainted. Now there is some more work, of course, I want to get done, especially on the roof. As you can see, those small fruits and everything fall into. They made a dent here. There's one more dent right here. So I really needed the car badly, so I thought I'll get the major work done first, and then we can take care of the roof and all later. And this was the body work, okay. And anything else? Yeah, even the ORVMs, right, forgot to show you all. The ORVMs also got repainted to its original color, glossy black, piano black. And next, what else? The right side, I kept it as it is because there was not much to do. There is this big scratch though, but ये तो मैं नज़र ना लगे उस हिसाब से scratch को मैंने रख लिया है. So it'll, any evil eye will be taken care of, right? So no, not that. Of course, as I said, I needed the car, so I thought I'll get all this done later once I can afford to give the car back to the workshop. So this is actually my daily car, right? I take this to the office and sometimes to the factory, but I've stopped taking it to the factory because the road there is actually pathetic. I want to keep my car as a collector's item now because so much work and money has been invested. I don't want to, I don't want any scratches and all coming again. So I'm going to keep it really clean and new. At least that's my goal. But in India, गाड़ियाँ में लगती रहती है, repair करते रहना पड़ता है. So, but we'll see. We'll try to keep our car safe and fresh and untouched, right? So this was the exterior work, the body work, and of course the polish and everything. The interior cleaning was also done. Deep cleaning inside out as well. ABS sensors were also changed. What are your thoughts though? Do let me know in the comment section. Let me just show you the car once again. The exterior part of the Rapid. And yeah, so what do you guys think? Do let me know in the comments. And when we get inside, it's actually smelling like a new car as well. Check out the dash. They've cleaned everything. Everything looks brand new in our Skoda Rapid. And yeah, this is how it is right now. The seats and everything were deep cleaned and vacuumed, and it's smelling so good right now, to be very honest. It's just like it feels showroom new, if you know what I mean. So let me break it down for you once again. We got the left side of our Rapid painted, repainted of course, because there was a lot of damage on the left side, dents and stuff like that. So the front fender, the front bumper, the front door and the rear door, the front fender and the rear fender, the running board, and your rear bumper, yeah, so each panel, around 7 panels total including the bumper and everything. So that was 3,500 each, which came to around 24,500 for the paint job of the body, and 25,500, 26,500, 1k each for the ORVMs, 1k for both the calipers, and what else, yeah, your alloy wheels, that was 6,400. So around 33,900, 34,000 round total kar dete hai. And 34,000 was the 34,000 is what I paid for the paint job alone. And my ABS sensors were replaced, all 4 of them, 2k per sensor. So 8k for the ABS sensor comes to what, 42,000 now. And standard service was around 6k, 48,000 for that, and 2,800 for your labor, which is what, 50,800 now. It's rounded up to 51k. And what else am I missing here? If you want to add, of course, deep cleaning the interior as well, I think that was included with the polish only. I paid, so 3,200 was for the self starter cleaning, and 800 was for your throttle body cleaning, 1,200 was for your brake disc cleaning. Okay, so 2,000, 3,200 is 5,200, plus 51,800 is your 57,000. And there's one more thing, window motor repair for the left side door, that was 950, so 58,000 for all the work that was done in our Rapid. So I feel it's pretty reasonable compared to what I would have paid if I were to give the car to the authorized service center, which is Skoda. And वहाँ तो बिल 1.5 lakh रुपया पार हो जाता मेरा just to get all these things done. At least that's what I feel, because yeah, I mean, it's pretty reasonable. The work that I got done was pretty reasonable in terms of what I paid. So yeah, that was the total cost. What are your thoughts about this whole process, about this whole project? Let me know in the comments section. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Lots more to come. This is end of season 1. Okay, we'll start season 2 of the Rapid very soon. And drop your suggestions below. What else would you like to see? What kind of mods and cosmetic changes would you like to see on our Skoda Rapid? I am keeping this car for I'm keeping this car for the rest of my life. I'm never selling it. बोल तो रहा हूँ, I'm never selling it. But yeah, the goal is to keep the Rapid for as long as I can. We're going to do great things with this car. We're going to keep it tasteful. And yeah, do let me know your suggestions and of course your feedback as to how you found this particular series. The Project Skoda Rapid series season 1 comes to an end. Season 2 will come soon. In the meanwhile, Slavia, there you go. Project on that will start soon as well, so stay tuned for that. And of course, suggestions are welcome for the Slavia as well. Thank you so much, viewers, for joining me in this series. I really enjoyed making it for you. I hope you enjoyed watching it. थोड़ा इमोशनल हो गया हूँ मैं. But yeah, this has been fun, and yeah, I'm not gonna I don't know what else to say, but yeah, thank you so much for joining me in this series. I'll see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, drive safe. Turbo Rev signing off. Bye bye.